Yo, what's up, y'all? Just been so long. My bad. Sorry. A lot of stuff going on, a lot of school, a lot of work. And today was just one of them days. Matter of fact, so check out how the day started.
1, 2, 1, 2.
You take it off after you dance.
Yorana and aloha, ladies and gentlemen. We are Hiti Mahana Polynesia. And this is Kailani.
Yes, y'all, and that is the show wrapped up. We gotta pack all this stuff up though. Yeah, it's a lot. Look at fellas. Hello. So yeah. Shout out to Kailani though. I don't know if y'all saw that. We got big. She was drumming for a little bit. Even Dan. Shout out to Dan. Damn it, Dan. Say hi, Dan. Never mind. Don't say hi, Dan.
Hello.
That is all. I wish we got a footage of Nico's magic mic stand.
That was so funny.
The mic.
So funny.
It was just like meow. Hey, but we stay flexible, y'all. Yeah, stay tuned. They ain't done yet. The day is not done. The day just got started. Well, started with the show. Now we sitting here early afternoon, taking it out. You already know what it is. It's beautiful out there. So we see if we can't hook into something. We got John, we got Nico. Yeah, let's see. Oh my God. So Horrible on the water, not even worth the footage. And the day still ain't done. Got the fellas rounded back up, changed up. Got Gabe, damn it Dan, yelling at us on the phone. But no, the day still ain't done. We got more. And look, we ain't even talk about this right now, man. It's like Bruno. Gabe thought about us, man. Hey, leave the dad jokes alone. Gabe thought about us, y'all. So yeah, we were out there grinding on the boat, not catching shit, not catching anything, sorry. And we got rice and barbecue. So before we drum,
Excuse me, bro. I'm sorry.
here, look. This is how much Gabe loves us.
You bought an extra one?
Actually, so there was two. He only loves two of us. I got you. So prepared. Put it back. So that's the day, you know, starting off this crazy Friday. We headed up to Merritt Island, knocked out a quick show, awesome times, always a good time. Headed out to the water, got beat up by Mother Nature. Not the best day for fishing. Like I said, not even worth the footage. But yeah, then finished off, a lot of drumming, some dancing, a lot more drumming. And yeah, finished out the night with, or we're gonna finish out the night with, not sure if y'all know this, but McDonald's got the daily double. Check it out, you're welcome. But yeah, before we go, how about Kailani with that out of nowhere solo? You know, it's her debut solo for a show. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Anyways, so tomorrow we're going back at it. We got a show up in Oviedo, something like that, here in Florida. Another show. So as always, we appreciate y'all coming through. Till next time, peace.